Alright, so I'm hosting an annual pie day for Thanksgiving, and to thank everyone who trusts me with their business, number one, and who has referred me with their real estate needs. Pay it forward, I am paying it back with a holiday pie. So my clients are coming in today for apple pie, pumpkin pie, or pecan pie. They're choosing a local client, so they're able to come and pick up themselves. For my out-of-state clients, I do have something that I will be sending out. Thank you so much. Without further ado, we're gonna get into some B-roll. So let's roll it. Happy holidays, everybody. I just wanted to reach out to you and say thank you for an amazing year so far. And I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays as much as I am. And today I'm working. I am showing this property behind me. It's a new construction home. It was built a year ago. I'm waiting for my clients to come, and then we're gonna showcase the home, walk them through the property, and if it's a good fit, we'll go ahead and submit this offer. In any case, thank you so much, and roll the B-roll. All right, so here's the home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, new construction, built in 2020. Come down the hallway, here's bedroom number 3. Washer and dryer area. Come back this way. Kitchen. Living room, dining. Head into the master bedroom. And here's the master bathroom. Pretty big closet. Oh, there we go. Yeah, pretty big closet. Goes back and around. And then a linen closet here. Oops. Then the restroom over here. So, pretty nice home. Hi, kitty. Here's the side yard. Very fully fenced in, which is super nice. And this side yard's super big, so very easily able to put a bigger gate out in the front, so you can park a boat on the side here if you need to. And believe it or not, there is room for a pool, no doubt. We'll come on this side over here. So thank you so much for watching. I wanted to wrap up this video by saying I appreciate you coming here, stopping by my channel and looking at my videos and giving me views, helping me with that subscribe button to get on the algorithm's radar, help growing my channel. So for this Thanksgiving, I am very grateful for you guys. Pie Day was a success. There were a few little hiccups, but it ended up being a great time, and I'm definitely thankful for my clients out there, help supported me and trusted me with their real estate needs. So if you look in the description box below, you'll see links and resources for my website that has all different types of help products for you, properties to search for, segmenting vacant land and new construction homes and residential resale homes. So it's a good place to explore and take a look at some of those resources. But in any case, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, own more real estate.